In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset paper money in Thinkorswim. To get started, open Thinkorswim web and make sure you're logging into your paper money account, not your live trading account. This part is really important because you want to practice and make changes in the simulated environment only. Once you're in, look at the login screen or the platform header and confirm that it clearly says paper money. After you've logged in, click on the Monitor tab. This is where you can review your current paper trading activity, including open positions, working orders, and your account balances. Before doing any kind of reset, it's a good idea to quickly look through this section so you know exactly what is currently in the account. If you want a completely clean starting point, you can optionally close any open positions first. To do that, right-click on an open position, choose Create Closing Order, and then submit that order. This step isn't always required, but it can make your account feel much more organized before the reset takes effect. Next comes the main part of the process. In many cases, Thinkorswim does not include a simple built-in reset button for paper money. So if you want a full reset, open the support or chat feature within the platform and request a paper money account reset. If the platform allows it, you can also specify the balance you'd like restored. Support can typically reset things like your cash balance, positions, buying power, and even account history, depending on what's available. There's also another option that may appear in some versions of Thinkorswim. Go back to the Monitor tab, locate your account information, and look for something like Adjust Account. If that option is available, you may be able to manually enter the virtual balance you want. Keep in mind that this feature can vary depending on the platform version, so don't worry if you don't see it. Once the reset has been completed, log out of Thinkorswim and then log back into paper money. This helps refresh the platform and ensures the updated values appear correctly. Finally, confirm that the reset worked by checking a few key account values. Look at your net liquidity, cash balance, buying power, and any open positions. If everything has updated correctly, your paper money account should now reflect the reset values and be ready for a fresh start. And that's how to reset paper money in Thinkorswim.